we are at Sioux Falls Farm Show with Benco. We're talking to all of our fine folks about our sprayers and our OnSite. Here at the Sioux Falls Farm Show, we're talking to all of our lovely customers and trying not to pay attention to our neighbors that we have. We don't want to talk to those guys. They're leading us astray. We have our sprayers here. We have our Acreage Pro that was new this year. It's a 50-gallon. We have it for $16.95. We have a show special, $14.45. And then we also have our Farm Pro built on our steel frame. And we do have, it's based on our cabling of the left-right operation for our left and right booms that operates 2 electric motors. So this one happens to be everything that we have with a boom, with a hose reel, with a neat rack. I don't know if we even have a name for this yet, but we've got it and it's cool. So we got that. And another thing, we have an example of our OnSite with our, if you have a wet boom, this is kind of a junior version of what a wet boom would consist of, that if you happen to have liquid on your planter, like a case or something like that, that's got stainless steel going, how the cabling works, back to our module, and this is what it's going to be at the row unit. The check valve and our flow meter is on one bracket. That's something that we have designed for ourselves. So this is what a whole wet boom looks like. And then over here is going to be our wet boom. These are the module that go on the back of the board. This is an example of the flow meter. This is what the inside of a flow meter looks like. Drop that out. Just got a little wheel on it. Fantastic little thing. Absolutely no problems with this. A lot of people wonder about that, but absolutely not a problem with our system. Cabling comes up. This is an example of our Bluetooth, what we have as well. We also have our OnSite display here. We have a 20-channel display here at the Sioux Falls Farm Show. We're excited about. Kind of explains what happens during the OnSite as we are as you're planting. Your starter will come up, go through the flow meter, turned into data. Data goes to the module. That's kind of the sweet sauce or the special sauce that we have. From the module, it goes to the Android, and it's going to be reflected right in the cab. That's what it is. Like for instance, if you would have something, another visual, like a red ball system that you maybe are not that sure about what's happening on real time, if you would happen to have a blockage, this is in real time, what happens? Or even worse than that, what if you have just a small blockage? One thing to notice that if you do have a blockage, your rate controller, your pump is still going to be still pumping the same amount. It's just going to, all the other extra rows are going to get more. So we always tell people, wouldn't it be nice to know in real time what's going on? So know your flow in every row. It's nicer to know now when you're planting instead of when maybe the 1st of July comes around. It's like, oh, I hope I didn't do that all day. Oh, that's what it is. But that's what the OnSite is. And check us out at the Sioux Falls Farm Show, or maybe a farm show near you.